Yeah, one, how was your experience working with the Confident Dancers? Honestly, it was more than I could have expected. I had a great time working with them. They had a structured out training plan that really benefited me, and I loved having accountability and feedback when I was practicing moves. It got me a lot further than just kind of jumping around between different YouTube tutorials, which is what I've kind of done in the past. So yeah, they helped me not just gain knowledge, but figure out how to apply it and also apply it to my own dance as I'm discovering my own style, creating my own moves. So I really appreciated that. What were you able to take away from the sessions working together? So yeah, a lot of times the sessions would be focused around specific moves I'd be working on. Within breaking, like power moves like swipes or windmills or 90s. These are all things I was like aware of, but didn't really have the body awareness yet. So I had the knowledge, but still wasn't applying it. So they really helped me with the live feedback and doing the right drills and practicing the right ways so that I could understand my body, and also just having a positive mindset and not getting too down on myself, since failure is the pathway to success. Yeah, it was meaningful and positive process, trying to embrace yourself and growing from there. Number 3, do you have noticeable changes in your confidence in dance and or move skills? Yeah, absolutely. I definitely feel more confident going to dance events, participating more. I'm more comfortable entering into ciphers and participating, whereas before I would just come and watch usually. Or if I did a prelim round, it would just be kind of random freestyle in the moment. It wouldn't have much structure, but now I'm aware of more how to like structure my rounds, and like there's even battle strategy involved, and like there's different ways to engage in dance events that make it a lot more fun and rewarding. Yeah, another thing I guess with like learning moves, I think before I had like basic idea in my head of like how moves worked, but I didn't have like the dedication or consistency to learn those moves when I've tried breaking in the past, like back in high school. So yeah, now I have awareness of multiple moves and power moves. I feel confident knowing where I can go and build out power move techniques and repertoire. And yeah, before I went from like maybe one sloppy coin drop, and now I can do windmills and swipes, and I'm working on flares and cleaning 90s. So yeah, my body awareness has grown a lot, and it's cool that I'm actually able to like start combining power moves, which I didn't even think I'd be able to do. So number 4, would you recommend working with the Confident Dancers? Yeah, they've been amazing. I really appreciated Mel's approach. I know she's qualified. She has degrees in dance education. She works with college students, and she knows how to teach like where they're at. They're not expecting you to be someone who's an expert at dance. You can be a beginner or have no background or have some experience in the past, and they'll meet you where you're at and build you up. So yeah, I've really appreciated getting to work with them. They're always willing to work with my busy schedule, being a busy dad with kids and family career, but still wanting time for something I've loved, which is dance. Yeah, I definitely couldn't have grown the way I have in the past year or two without them. I think just kind of trying YouTube tutorials here and there, occasionally going to practices, like it was good, but definitely not enough. And I've been really surprised at the growth that I've made in the past year or so. So it's thanks to them. Thank you, Josh and Mel.